My name is Aric Dawson, and in this video I'd like to talk a little bit about what SmartECR is. So the SmartECR solution is comprised of three components. First, it includes the UIC TS890 terminal. It's an ENV enabled terminal that allows your merchant to process ENV chip cards with their SAM4S line of ECRs. The second component, for those merchants that are in a hard-to-wire environment, includes a wireless router. This is the Netcom 4G LTE Light Industrial wireless router. And third is Sterling's Bridge Business Intelligence. Bridge is a cloud-based ECR sales reporting application and PLU management tool that allows a merchant to log in remotely from any internet-connected device to view their sales reports and to manage the PLUs that are programmed on their ECR. Before I walk you through the necessary steps of the installation of the SmartECR terminal to the SAM4S ECR, I'd like to talk about what's included in your shipment. Inside the box, every reseller or merchant will receive a 6-foot Cat5 cable used to connect to the merchant's internet access point and terminal. 2 serial cables used to connect the SmartECR terminal to the ECR itself. The UIC TS890 terminal, and of course, a power cord and adapter. The first step in the installation process is to take your serial cables and connect the ECR to your terminal. The serial cables consist of a DB9 in and an RJ45 in. You're going to take your first serial cable and you're going to connect the DB9 in to COM port 1 on the ECR. And you're going to take the RJ45 in and you're going to connect it to the 232A port on your terminal. You're going to repeat that step with the second serial cable, taking the DB9 in and connecting it to the COM port 2. And you're going to connect the RJ45 in to the 232B port on the terminal. Next, you're going to take your Ethernet cable and connect it to the Ethernet port. For setups involving a hard-to-wire merchant that's utilizing the Netcom wireless router, what you'll do is you'll take your Ethernet cable, connect one end to the Ethernet port on the UIC terminal, and you'll take your other end and you'll connect it to the Ethernet port on your Netcom router. And last but not least, you're going to power up your UIC terminal. It's important to remember that this should always be the last step of the installation process. During the power up, the UIC TS890 self-provisions itself. It calls out to Sterling, asks if it has a merchant record. Sterling returns an answer. The terminal then boots up and initiates the proper applications based off the ECR model. When you see this screen that says Sterling Welcome, you know your terminal has been booted up and is ready to be used. So the last step of the process is to run a test transaction. Simply select one of the PLUs programmed on the ECR, select the charge key, confirm the price, insert your card, transaction approves, and your test is complete.